How to enable or disable notification in Bigo Live. First, open the Bigo Live app. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap settings here in the top right. Scroll down and find notification. Tap it. Inside notification, if your notification is off, you will see enable now. Tap it. This will enable your notification. Tap allow notification, and this will enable your notification. And go back to Bigo Live. You will also see options like live reminder, followers activity, system messages, gift and reward. Just toggle each on or off depending which alerts you want or don't want. And that's it for in-app control. Leave the app for a few minutes, then check whether you still get notifications. Adjust settings until it's right for you, and you are done. No more unwanted pops up. If this helped, tap the like and subscribe for more fast app tutorials. See you in the next one.